Next concept, diametric form of the circle. The equation of the circle whose end points are a of x1 y1 and b of x2 comma y2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. How it will be once you see that? This is called the diametric form. Diametric form of circle. That equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is called diametric equation of the circle, or the equation whose end points of the diameter or extremities of the diameter or a of x1 y1 b of x2 comma y2 is this equation. See, this is the circle. End points of the diameter, this is the diameter of the circle with center C, a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2. After that, you can assume one point or any point p of x comma y on the circle. Join AP, join PB. Join AP and join PB. We know that APB, this is called a semicircle. And here, angle in semicircle is right angle. We have very important known formula. Angle in semicircle is right angle. That means here angle APB is equal to angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. So whenever it is 90 degrees, AP is perpendicular to BP or PB. Calculate slope of AP. Slope of AP. We know that slope definition when 2 points are there, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. If you assume that y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. This is slope of AP. Similarly, slope of BP. Slope of BP. Y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. Since angle APB is right angle, that implies AP is perpendicular to PB or BP. Whenever two lines are perpendicular, the product of two slopes, that means slope of AP into slope of PB is equal to minus 1. Slope of AP we have here y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 equal to minus 1. Y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus x minus x1 into x minus x2. These values we can take this side. X minus x1 minus value we can take this side, plus x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is called the equation of circle whose endpoints of the diameter are a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2 equal to 0 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Another representation is another word for that diametric form of circle. One example we will discuss. Find the important for 2 marks. Find the equation of circle whose endpoints are endpoints of the diameter or they won't give that points. Here we are mentioning that A and B. One point is minus 4 comma 3 and another point is 3 comma minus 4. This formula we are going to apply to get the equation of circle. First step, given endpoints of the diameter. Given endpoints of the diameter. Of the circle or A of minus 4 comma 3 and B of 3 comma minus 4 denote as x1 y1 x2 y2. In the next step, the equation of circle in diametric form is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Substitute respective values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in this. X minus of minus 4 into x minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y minus of minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So actual multiplication, x square minus 3x plus 4x, so plus x minus plus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus y square plus 4y minus 3y is plus y minus 3 into plus 4 minus 12 equal to 0. Arrange in the order. First x square term, y square term, x term, y term and constant. Therefore x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 12 minus 24 equal to 0. This is equation of circle whose endpoints are A of minus 4 comma 3 and B of 3 comma minus 4. Next question. This question also based on diametric form of the circle, but it is for short answer type question, which is important. If the abscissa of the points A comma B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0 and the ordinates of the points A comma B are the roots of the equation y square plus 2by minus q square equal to 0, then find the equation of circle for AB is a diameter. So we know that AB is a diameter and whose equation of the circle also. First what you have to do, rough diagram you have to draw that and mention that what is A, what is B. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. First you have to write the equation of circle in diametric form. The equation of circle whose endpoints of the diameter are A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This equation we may write it as, if you simplify this is x into x, x square minus x take common, x1 plus x2 will come plus x1 x2. Similarly y terms also y square minus y into y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Both the equations are same, but according to our convenience we are writing in that way. Both the equations are 1. In this, x1, x2 are roots of first equation, y1, y2 are roots of second equation. Abscissa means x coordinates. Given that x1 comma x2 are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0, then we have from quadratic equation sum of the roots, product of the roots. x1 plus x2 equal to sum of the roots is minus b by a. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Here b value is 2a, a value is 1, c value is minus b square. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus 2a divided by a value is 1, no need to write. x1 plus x2 value is minus 2a. And product of the roots x1, x2 is equal to c by a. C value is minus b square, a value is 1. So ultimately we can write as minus b square. And also given that y1 comma y2 are the roots of the equation y square plus 2py minus q square equal to 0, then we have here also sum of the roots and product of the roots. y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2p and product of the roots y1 y2 is equal to minus q square. After getting up these values, x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus x1 x2, these values substitute in the equation 1. y1 plus y2, y1 y2 values substitute in equation 1, then we get x square minus x into, in place of x1 plus x2, minus 2a plus x1 x2. x1 x2 means minus b square plus y square minus y into y1 plus y2 minus 2p minus y1 y2 means minus q square is equal to 0. X square, we can write it here, x square plus y square, after that x term minus into minus plus 2ax, y term minus into minus is plus 2py, remaining constants minus b square minus q square is equal to 0. That is, we can write it as x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus of b square plus q square is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle whose AB as a diameter. Next concept, concentric circles. This concept is very important in boards. Concentric circles. What is the definition of concentric circles? The circles whose center is same with different radii is called concentric circles. Observe that I am going to write some equation of circles. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 7 equal to 0. These are the three equations of circles I have taken. For the first circle, center equal to, center is, it is looking like a general equation of circle whose center is minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So minus z comma minus f. and radius equal to square root of g square plus f square minus g whole square plus minus f whole square minus c. In place of c constant, what value is there? Minus pi. Center of second circle is also minus g comma minus f. Radius, if you calculate, g square plus f square minus 6. And come to the third equation of circle, minus g comma minus f. Radius square root of g square plus f square. That means g square plus f square minus 7. Observe that in these three equations of circles, we observe that same center but different radii. Here, for the values of g comma f, this will be some value will come. This will be also some another value. This will be also some another value. So, based on this constant, the concentric circle will be different. So, what is the definition of concentric circle means? The circle which is said to be a concentric circle if their centers are equal, differ with the radii. Now, for important like formula, the concentric equation of circle to the equation of circle, otherwise to the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0. Only where we are changing here, only in place of that constant. So, how to get this constant means they will give some condition to get the value of c dash. So, now onwards, the concentric equation of the circle to the equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0. This is called concentric equation to the given equation of circle. I will explain one example. Find the equation of circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 and passing through minus 2 comma 14. First, what you have to write? Given equation of circle you have to write. Given equation of circle, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Equation number 1. The concentric equation of circle, the concentric equation of circle to equation 1 is concentric circle. For the general equation of circle is here, all are same terms except the last constant. So here also you have to do same thing, is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus c dash equal to 0. This is the concentric equation of circle to the given equation of circle. This equation 2 is passing through given point. Equation 2 passing through minus 2 comma 14. In place of x comma y, substitute minus 2 comma 14. It will becomes minus 2 square. That means 4 y square. Y square means 14 square. 196 minus 6x. So minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12 minus 4 into 14 minus 56 plus c dash equal to 0. 212 minus 56 plus c dash equal to 0. 212 minus 56. So plus 156 plus c dash equal to 0. So c dash equal to minus 156. This c dash value substitute in equation 2. we can get required equation of circle. C dash equal to minus 156. Substitute in required equation 2, we get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0, which is next concept, parametric equations. Of the circle. What are the parametric equations of circle? The equation of circle in terms of r and theta is called parametric equation. Is called parametric equations of the circle. Suppose what is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. For this circle, what are the parametric equation of the circle? The equation of circle in terms of r and theta. See that equations, these equations, x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy is equal to minus c. X square plus 2gx, to get the perfect square, adding g square here this side and here also adding g square, plus y square plus 2fy plus f square, here also we are adding f square. This is the expansion of x plus g, this is the expansion of y plus f. X plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square, this is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Can we write as root of g square plus f square minus c whole square? We can write it. So x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to, this value is radius square. This is LHS side, this is RHS side. To satisfy RHS value, you can take these values as x plus g is equal to r cos theta, y plus f equal to r sin theta. If you take squaring on both sides, here also squaring on both sides, x plus g whole square is equal to r square cos square theta, y plus f whole square equal to r square sin square theta. If you add both the equations, you are going to get this equation only, no? X plus g whole square plus y plus whole square equal to r square. If you take common, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So now onwards, these equations are called parametric equations to the equation of circle, general equation of circle. This what we have to do from these equations. X plus g equal to r cos theta. From this x value make as a subject. X is equal to minus g plus r cos theta. And y plus f is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. These two equations are called parametric equations to the general equation of circle. This theta is 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than 2 pi. This theta value is applicable for this condition. 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than 2 pi. These are the two equations, parametric equations to the general equation of circle. Next model. Suppose the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r is, the equation will becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. For these equations, what are the parametric equations? Here it is in this form only, no, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this value we are assuming as r cos theta. Similarly, x minus h is equal to r cos theta. From this also, y minus k is equal to r sin theta. So x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta are called parametric equations to the equation of circle with center h comma k, radius r. These are the parametric equations. Parametric equations to the equation 1. If you are assuming this is 1. Next, third model in this. This is standard equation of circle. What is the meaning of standard equation of circle? The equation of circle with radius r and center is at origin. Equation of circle x square plus y square equal to r square, which is called standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle in the sense the equation of circle with center at origin and radius r. Here also, to satisfy both sides, LHS equal to RHS, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Why we have to take only x is equal to r cos theta? Why can't x is equal to r sin theta? The doubt will arise. According to the geometrical diagram, from the diagram, we can get x is equal to r cos theta only. It won't come x is equal to r sin theta. That is the reason we are taking x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. These two equations are called parametric equations to the standard equation of circle x square plus y square plus equal to r square. Now I am going to give that examples regarding these three models. It will be very important in board wise in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, which is very important model. I am going to discuss now. Example: find the parametric equations of the following circles. This is general equation of circle. This is equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. This is standard equation of circle. I am giving all the examples for this. So first question answer. This given equation of circle. First question. Given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2z equal to minus 6, 2f equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 12. G equal to minus 3, f is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 12. After getting of g, f and c, radius value calculate. R equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equal to square root of g square minus 3 whole square 9 plus f square 2 square 4 minus of minus 12 plus 12 root 25, which is equal to 5. Whenever the equation of circle in general equation, what are the parametric equations? The parametric equations of given circle are x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta and y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta. So x is equal to minus z, so minus of minus 3 plus 3 plus r value is 5 into cos theta. Y is equal to minus f minus 2 plus r value 5 into sin theta. These two equations are called parametric equations to the given equation of circle. Come to the second question, Roman letter 2. Given circle or given equation of circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to r square, that means 8 square according to the question. This equation you have to compare with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Like this you have to compare. So write the values of here. H is equal to 3, k is equal to 4 and r is equal to 8. After writing these values, the parametric equations of the given circle. The parametric equation of given circle are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Now x is equal to h value is 3 plus r value is 8 cos theta. Y equal to k value is 4 plus r value is 8 sin theta. These are the parametric equations to the corresponding given equation of circle. Roman letter 3. Given circle or given equation of circle, 2 into x square plus y square equal to 7. So 2 we are taking this side. X square plus y square equal to 7 by 2. This equation you have to write in the standard equation of circle form. X square plus y square, 7 by 2 can be written as root 7 by 2 whole square. This equation you have to compare with x square plus y square equal to r square. Here r is equal to root 7 by 2. Therefore, the parametric equations of given circle are x is equal to r cos theta, comma y is equal to r sin theta. So x is equal to root 7 by 2 into cos theta, y is equal to root 7 by 2 sin theta. These are the equations, parametric equations to the given equation of circle. Next question. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0 represents a circle with center 2, 3, find g, f and its radius. Given equation. First given equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Equation 1 represents a circle with center 2, 3. Given center 2, 3. What is the center of this circle? The center of equation 1 is minus g, minus f. This is also center of equation 1. This is also center of equation 1. Therefore, 2, 3 is equal to minus g, minus f. That implies 2 equal to minus g, 3 equal to minus f. Therefore, g equal to minus 2 and f equal to minus 3. After getting of f and g values, they are asking to calculate radius. So, to get radius value, this equation comparing with x square plus y square plus 2j plus 2fy plus c. So, c value here minus 12. From equation 1, c value is minus 12. Therefore, the radius of the circle r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square minus 2 whole square, f square minus 3 whole square, c value minus of minus 12, which is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the radius of the circle r equal to 5. Come to the next question. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0 represent a circle with radius 6, then find the value of c. So here, first given equation of circle, represent a circle means given circle. Given equation of circle, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. This equation comparing with general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2z equal to minus 4, 2f is equal to 6, c is equal to c. So g equal to minus 2, f equal to 3, c equal to c. And given one more issue. That means given r equal to 6. What is the formula for r? Square root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to 6. Substitute g comma f values in this. Root of g square minus 2 whole square f square 3 square minus c is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides, 4 plus 9 13 minus c is equal to 36. That implies 13 minus 36 is equal to c. That implies c is equal to minus 23. Therefore, the value of c is equal to minus 23. Come to the next question. Find the center and radius of the following circles. These models also important for 2 marks. 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 12 minus 1 equal to 0. Second question, root of 1 plus n square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0. First, what we have to do, the given 2 circles which are not in the general form. So, we have to convert into general form by dividing by 3 first equation. For the second equation, dividing by root of 1 plus n square. So, first equation I am taking here now. Solution for the first question. Given circle 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 12y minus 1 equal to 0. It is not in the general form. So, dividing by x square coefficient, y square coefficients are equal, but it is a circle equation. But to represent in the general form, throughout dividing by this 3 value. So, otherwise 3 take common throughout the equation. Both the meaning is same. So, dividing by 3, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Now, after dividing by 3, write the values of 2z, 2f and c. This equation comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here, 2z equal to 2, 2f equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 1 by 3. From this, g equal to 1, f equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 1 by 3. After knowing of these values, they are asking to calculate center and radius. Therefore, center of first equation, center, write the formula minus g comma minus f, which is equal to minus g value is 1, so minus 1, comma f value is minus 2, minus f means minus of minus 2 plus 2. Center we got it. Next, radius of the circle, radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equal to square root of g square 1 square plus f square minus 2 whole square minus c value minus 1 by 3, minus of minus 1 by 3, which is equal to square root of 3 is the LCM, 3 plus 12 plus 1, which is equal to square root of 16 by 3, which is equal to 4 by root 3, root 16 by root 3, root 16 is 4. Therefore, radius of this first circle is 4 by root 3 and center is c equal to minus 1 comma 2. Next question. What is the given equation of circle here? Given circle root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2cmy is equal to 0. But still it is not in the general form. So, to get in the general form of the circle, dividing throughout by root of 1 plus m square. Each and every term dividing by root of 1 plus m square, the equation will becomes x square plus y square minus 2cx divided by square root of 1 plus m square minus 2cmy divided by square root of 1 plus m square is equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2z equal to minus 2c divided by root of 1 plus m square. Here 2 get cancelled. 2f equal to minus 2cm divided by root of 1 plus m square and c equal to 0, constant c in this c is not equal to given c value in this equation. Here also 2 get cancelled, c value is 0. Now g value will becomes from here z equal to minus c by root of 1 plus m square, and f equal to minus cm divided by square root of 1 plus m square. C value is 0. Now center of the circle, center c equal to minus z comma minus f. So we can write it as minus c means minus root of minus c by root of 1 plus m square, minus f minus of minus cm plus cm divided by square root of 1 plus m square. This is the center of the circle. Now radius. Radius of the circle. Radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square means this value whole square. C by root of 1 plus m square whole square plus f square. Cm by root of 1 plus m square whole square minus c value is 0 from this. Square root of c square divided by root square cancel 1 plus m square plus c square m square divided by 1 plus m square. Take it out LCM 1 plus m square c square plus c square m square. Square root of c square take LCM 1 plus m square divided by 1 plus m square. You can cancel it both. Root c square which is equal to c. Therefore radius of the given circle is r is equal to c and center is c equal to c by root of 1 plus m square comma cm by root of 1 plus m square. In the next class we will discuss concentric points and the equation of circle passing through 3 points, and find the equation of circle passing through 2 points and center lies on the some given line. These models we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you very much. Next question. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing through the points minus 2, 3 and 4, 5. We already discussed in previous classes the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis is, that is the required equation in this question. Let the required equation be, instead of writing let the required equation, we can write the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2jx plus c equal to 0. Center lies on x-axis means this equation will come. This equation 1 is passing through the first point minus 2, 3. In place of x, y substitute minus 2, 3. Minus 2 whole square plus 4. 3 square 9. 2g into minus 2 minus 4g plus c equal to 0. 9 plus 4 13. 13 minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Equation 1 is passing through, next point also we can write it, passing through 4, 5. So in place of x, y, 4, 5 substitute 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c equal to 0. 25 plus 16 41 plus 8g plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. Solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. Here I am going to do that elimination method. 13 minus 4g plus c equal to 0. 41 plus 8g plus c equal to 0. While subtracting, sign change. Here minus, plus c minus c get cancelled. 13 minus 41 minus 28 minus 4g minus 8g minus 12g is equal to 0. That implies minus 12g is equal to 28. G equal to 28 divided by minus 12. So G equal to minus 4 sevens or 4 threes or 7 by 3. After getting the value of G value substitute either in second equation or third equation, you will get the value of C. So G equal to minus 7 by 3. Substitute in equation 2. Then we get 13 minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus C equal to 0. 13 plus 28 divided by 3 plus C equal to 0, which implies that LCM is 3. 39 plus 28 plus 3C equal to 0. Cross multiply. 39 plus 28 67 plus 3C equal to 0. That implies 3C is equal to minus 67. C is equal to minus 67 by 3. C value, G value substitute in equation 1. G comma C values substitute in equation 1. We get the equation, required equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 3 into x minus 67 by 3 equal to 0. Take LCM 3 here. 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. Cross multiply. 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 equal to 0. From these two, 3 take common. Therefore, the required equation of circle 3 into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 equal to 0. Next question. Find the equation of circle which passes through 4, 1, 6, 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. Find the equation of circle which passes through 2 points and center lies on the given line. Whenever find the equation of circle passing through the 2 points are there or 3 points are there, you can take the general equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be, let the required equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. In the next step, equation 1 is passing through first point 4, 1. In place of x, y, substitute 4, 1. So 4 square, 16 plus 1 square plus 1 plus 2g into x, 8g plus 2f into 1, 2f plus c equal to 0. 16 plus 1, 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 2. Similarly, equation 1 is passing through six, 5. So 6 square 36 plus 5 square 25 plus 2z into 6 12z plus 2f into 5 10f plus C equal to 0. 36 plus 25, which is equal to 61, plus 12Z plus 10F plus C equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now, after completing of this step, having the center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0 is there. So, since the center of equation 1, that is, what is center of equation 1? Minus z minus f, lies on the equation 4x plus 3y plus minus 24 equal to 0. That means in place of x comma y minus z minus f, you have to substitute. So 4 into minus z minus 4z, 3 into minus f minus 3f, minus 24 equal to 0. All are having minus symbol. So minus take common and we can take this side. 4z plus 3f plus 24 equal to 0. Equation number 4. After completing of this step, from equation 2 and equation 3, you have to eliminate constant c. Now solving equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 is 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0, and 61 plus 12z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Subtracting, sign change, minus, 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 plus c minus c get cancelled. 17 minus 61, how much we are going to get here? 61 minus 17, 44. So that is minus 44. 8g minus 12z minus 4z, 2f minus 10f minus 8f is equal to 0. Here also all are minus value. Every term is having minus. So take common minus. Why I am not taking common minus 4 means in this equation we have 4z value. Here also minus 4z value. So we can take common minus and we can take this side. It will becomes 4z plus 8f plus 44 equal to 0. We put that equation number 5. After that solving 4 and 5. After that solving 4 and 5. Fourth equation is 4g plus 3f plus 24 equal to 0, and fifth equation is 4g plus 8f plus 44 equal to 0. While subtracting, sign change, minus, 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 plus 4g minus 4g get cancelled. 3f minus 8f minus 5f minus 44 plus 24 minus 20 is equal to 0. Minus 5f is equal to 20, f is equal to minus 4. F value substitute either in fifth equation or fourth equation. F is equal to minus 4, substitute in, better to substitute on this equation only. Equation number 4. So 4g plus 3 into minus 4 plus 24 equal to 0. 4g minus 12 plus 24 equal to 0. 4g plus 12 equal to 0. So 4g equal to minus 12, g equal to minus 3. G comma f values substitute in equation 2. G comma f values substitute in equation 2 to get the value of c. So 17 plus 8 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 4 plus c equal to 0. 17 minus 24 minus 8 plus c equal to 0. So c equal to 24 plus 8 minus 17. C equal to 32 minus 17. So C equal to 15. Now F, G and C values. F, G and C values. Substitute in equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2 into G value is minus 3 into X plus 2 into F value is minus 4 into Y plus C value is plus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle. This is required equation of circle. After that, same procedure you have to follow and do that question as a homework. Find the equation of circle which passes through the points 2, minus 3 and minus 4, 5 and having the center lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This problem also you have to try that. Next concept, concyclic points. This concept is very important in Board of Intermediate, either in Andhra or Telangana. This concept is very important for 7 marks. What is the meaning of concyclic points? The points which are lying on the same circle are called concyclic points. Concyclic points. The points which are lying on the same circle are called concyclic points. That means the points which are lying on the same circle are called concyclic point. Suppose they will give A point, B point, C point and D point. Some points they will give. You don't know what are the points. How to prove the given points are concyclic? They will ask the question in that way. Prove that the points are concyclic. Like this they will ask the question. First what we have to do, among these 4 points, find the equation of circle passing through any of 3 points. Any of 3 points, that is your choice. So first the equation of circle passing through A point, B point and C point. You calculate one equation of circle. You will get circle equation which is passing through A, B, C. After that, to prove the points are concyclic, the rest of the point D satisfies with the circle equation passing through A, B, C. So what is the procedure to calculate to prove the given points are concyclic? First you find that equation of circle passing through among the 4 points, any 3 points passing through 3 points. After that, the rest of the points should satisfy with a circle which is passing through the 3 points. If it is satisfies, the points are concyclic, otherwise not concyclic. But they are asking to prove means it is concyclic. Now I am going to take one example. to prove the given points are concyclic. Next question. Show that the 4 points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. Find the equation of circle on which they lie. That means find the equation of circle passing to these points and we have to prove that the points are concyclic. We know that procedure to calculate the equation of circle passing through the 3 points. So first given points we will write. Given points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8. After that, given circle, let the required equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. Equation 1 is passing through first point. Equation 1 is passing through one comma 1. In place of x comma y, 1 comma 1 substitute. So 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. So 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 2. Next, equation 1 passing through minus 6 comma 0. So in place of x comma y, minus 6 comma 0 substitute. 36 plus 0 minus 12z plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So 36 minus 12z plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. Next equation is passing through minus 2 comma. Equation 1 is passing through minus 2 comma 2. So in place of x comma y, minus 2 comma 2, if you substitute minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square minus 4z minus 4 plus 4f plus c equal to 0. 8 minus 4z plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 4. After that, solving 2 and 3 and solving 3 and 4 to eliminate c values from the respective equations. Now solving equation 2 and 3. So from equation 2, 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. 36 minus 12z plus c equal to 0. F term is not there, you can leave. Now while subtracting, sign change. Minus plus minus plus c minus c get cancelled. 2 minus 36 is minus 34. 2z plus 12z plus 14z. 2f plus 0, that means plus 2f is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, it will becomes first g term, f term after the constant. Dividing throughout equation by 2, it will becomes 7z plus f minus 17 is equal to 0. Equation number 5. After that, solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. Not only 3 and 4, you can solve 2 and 4 also, nothing will happen. You can get it. So serial order I am taking 2 and 3, 3 and 4 generally. So 36 minus 12z, here f term is not there. Leave it, you can leave. Plus c equal to 0. In that fourth equation, 8 minus 4z plus 4f plus c equal to 0. To eliminate C value, we need to subtract both the equations. So whenever subtracting, sign change. Here plus is there, minus is there, plus. Here plus is there, minus is there, minus. Plus C minus C get cancelled. 36 minus 8, it will becomes 26. Sorry, 28. 28 minus 12g plus 4z minus 8g minus 4f is equal to 0. All are multiples of here take common minus, you can write it as 4f plus 8z plus minus 28 equal to 0. Multiplying by minus throughout this equation. After that, dividing by 4, f plus 2z minus 7 equal to 0. Put that equation as 6. Now solving 5 and 6. Solving 5 and 6. Fifth equation, 7g plus f minus 17 equal to 0. And this equation, first g term you have to write 2z plus f minus 7 equal to 0. Subtracting, sign change, minus plus. Plus f minus f get cancelled. 7z minus 2z is 5z. Minus 17 plus 7 is minus 10. So 5z is equal to 10. That implies g equal to 2. After getting the value of g value substitute in equation number 6. G equal to 2, substitute in equation number 6. So f plus 2 into 2 minus 7 equal to 0. F plus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. That implies f minus 3 equal to 0. F is equal to 3. So g value, f value we got it. After that, g, f values substitute in equation 2. G comma f values substitute in equation 2. So 2 plus 2z, 2 into g value is 2 plus 2 into f value is 3 plus c equal to 0. So that implies 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus c equal to 0. C is equal to minus 12. Now g, f and c values substitute in equation 1. G, f and c values substitute in equation 1. We get x square plus y square plus 2 into g value is 2 into x plus 2 into 3y. C value is minus 12 equal to 0. After that, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. But they are asking to prove the points are concyclic. That means this equation is passing through first 3 points only. No? Next, the third point, the fourth point, you have to substitute in this equation. Now, to prove the given points are concyclic, the rest of the point minus 2 comma minus 8 should satisfy by the equation of circle. Now minus 2 comma minus 8 substitute in the above. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square, wherever x is there, 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 equal to 0. If you prove 0 equal to 0, then the points are consecutive. So 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12 equal to 0. So 68 minus 68 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. That means, therefore, given points are consecutive. Whenever 0 equal to 0 means this point is satisfying the circle and given points are consecutive. Next question. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c are consecutive, then find c. What is the difference between previous problem and this problem? In previous problem, we discussed they are asking to prove the points are consecutive. That means first we have to calculate equation of circle passing through 3 points and the rest of the point we have to substitute in that. If it is satisfies, the points are consecutive, otherwise not consecutive. But here the case is these points are consecutive, find the value of c. Where the unknown value is there, you can leave the point and rest of the points you take and find the equation of circle passing through the 3 points and get the equation of circle. After that, since the points are consecutive, substitute the rest of the point in this equation. So you will get the value of c. So first let the required equation. Before that, given points 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c. Let the required equation of circle be, general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. Equation 1 is passing through first point to take it. Passing through first point is 2, 0. So in place of x, y, 2, 0, if you substitute 4 plus 0 plus 4z plus 0 plus c equal to 0. So 4 plus 4z plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 2. Next, equation 1 is passing through zero, 1. So in place of x, y, 0, 1 substitute 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. So 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. After that, third point to take. Equation 1 is passing through 4, 5. In place of x, y, 4, 5, if you substitute 16 plus 25 plus 2z into 4, that means 8z, plus 2f into 5, that means 10f, plus c equal to 0. 41, 25 plus 16 plus 8z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 4. Now solving 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Solving 2 and 3. In this equation, f term is not there, but writing 4 plus 4z, f term you can leave some place, plus c equal to 0. That means you can write it as 0 into f also. If you have any confusion, we can write like this. Next, third equation. Here in this g term is not there. So 1 plus 0 into z plus f 2f plus c equal to 0. Our aim is eliminating c. So subtracting sign change plus c minus c get cancelled. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4z minus 0. That means plus 4z. Here 0 minus 2f. Minus 2f. Write in the order first g, f and constant. So 4z minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0. Put that equation number 5. Next, solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. In third equation, g term is not there here. So 1 plus 0 into z plus 2f plus c equal to 0. In fourth equation, 41 plus 8z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Subtracting sign change again here also. Minus, 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 minus. Plus c minus c get cancelled. Minus 40 minus 8z minus 8f is equal to 0. All are multiples of minus 8. So dividing throughout equation by minus 8. Otherwise, observe that here 4z minus 2f is there. So here also you want to get in terms of 4z, easy to cancellation. So this equation dividing by minus 2, it will becomes dividing by minus 2. Why we are dividing by minus 2 only? Particularly according to this equation of 5, we are doing like this. Otherwise you can divide with minus 8 also. Dividing by minus 2, it will becomes plus 4z plus 4f plus 20 equal to 0. We put that equation number 6. Dividing by minus 2. Here we want 4g is there. So it is equation number 6. Now solving 5 and 6. Fifth equation is 4z minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0. Sixth equation is 4z plus 4f plus 20 equal to 0. Subtract, sign change, minus, 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 plus 4z minus 4z get cancelled. Minus 2f minus 4f minus 6f minus 17 equal to 0. Minus 6f equal to 17. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. F value substitute in we want either in 6th or 5th. 5th equation better. 4z minus 2 into minus 17 by 6 plus 3 equal to 0. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 4z is equal to 3, we can take this side minus 3. Minus into minus plus, plus we can take this side minus by 17 by 3. So 4z equal to 17 minus 9. How much we are going to get here? Divided by 3. Is it 17? 4z minus 2f. F value is minus 17. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 4z equal to plus 3 we can take this side minus 3. Minus 2 minus plus we can take this side minus here, sorry. Minus 17. So that is equal to minus 17 minus 9. Minus 26 divided by 3. So 4z equal to minus 26 by 3. That 4 also we can take this sign. G equal to minus 26 by 12. So 2 table. So it will becomes 2 13s. Sorry, 3 dividing by 2. Yes, 2 13s and 2 6. So G value is minus 13 by 6. After getting of G value, otherwise F value is better now. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. Substitute in equation 3. You will get C value. Here only I will do it. F value substitute in equation 3. 1 plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 plus c equal to 0. So here c equal to 1 we can take this side minus 1 minus 34 by 6, that means 2 ones are 2 3s are minus 17 by 3 we can take this side plus 17 by 3. After taking LCM, minus 3 plus 17 by 3, so c is equal to 14 by 3. You remember that here c value is different from here c value. You remember that. This is circle related c. That point lies on the circle related c. Otherwise, if you have any confusion, here you can take as k equal to 0 and work out that problem. C value, g value, f value substitute in equation 1. G comma f comma c values substitute in equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2 into g value is minus 13 by 6 into x plus 2 into minus 17 by 6 into y plus 14 by 3 equal to 0. Here 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 ones are 2 3s are. Take LCM 3 into x square plus y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. After taking LCM directly I am writing. This is the required equation of circle passing through the given points. This equation we have to write it as 7. Equation number 7. Since the points are concyclic, the rest of the point we have to substitute in this. Since the points are concyclic, then the point 0 comma c lies on equation 7. So in place of x comma y, 0 comma c substitute. So 3 into 0 plus c square minus 13 into 0 minus 17 into c plus 14 equal to 0. Therefore 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. Factorization we have to do here. So 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. From these two, 3c take common, c minus 1 minus 14 take common, c minus 1 equal to 0. C minus 1 take common from these two, 3c minus 14 equal to 0. C minus 1 equal to 0 and 3c minus 14 equal to 0. C is equal to 1 and 3c is equal to 14. C is equal to 14 by 3. Among these values, which value is correct value? Exact value. C is equal to 1 if we take 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is already a point on the circle. So C is equal to 1 is not possible. Since 0 comma 1 is already a point. Therefore, the possible value of C is 14 by 3. Thank you dear students for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please share and support to me, and thank you very much.